Hey everyone, want to create an amazing 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator? Let's dive into this tutorial. Grab the Type tool from the toolbar. Click anywhere on your canvas. Type some text. Choose a font, size, and other settings to make your text look great. Align the text to the center of your artboard. Go to the Swatches panel. Select a light gray color. Check the global box. Click OK. Do the same to create a medium gray and a darker gray. Now you have 3 global gray swatches. Pick the lightest gray. Draw a rectangle with the rectangle tool. Resize it to match your artboard. Right-click, choose Arrange. Select Send to Back to place it behind everything. Next, open the Gradient panel. You can start with the default black to white gradient or reverse it if you prefer, and adjust the angle to your liking. Or double-click the gradient swatches to pick custom colors. I'm going with the medium gray for one end and the lightest gray for the other. Select the rectangle. Press Ctrl and 2 or CMD and 2 on a Mac to lock it so it doesn't move. Select your text. Go to Type. Choose Create Outlines. Your text is now shapes and no longer editable as text. Copy the text from Edit. And paste it in place. Select the pasted text. Choose the darkest gray from the Swatches panel. Hold Alt and Shift. Drag to scale it down toward the center. Right-click, go to Arrange, and choose Send Backwards so it sits behind the original text. Select both text objects. Go to Object. Blend. Choose Make. You'll see a blend effect that might not look perfect yet. Go back to Object. Blend. Choose Blend Options. Check the preview box. Select specified steps from the drop-down menu. Increase the steps using the arrow keys or type in a high value. Higher numbers give a smoother gradient effect. Double-click the blended object to enter isolation mode. When you move the front text, the blend and shadow move with it, keeping everything in sync. This also applies to the swatches. If you change a global swatch color, the blend updates automatically. Press Ctrl and Y or CMD and Y to switch to outline mode. Select the smaller text in the back. Pick a different color from swatches. It updates instantly. If you resize the text, the blend updates too. You can click the arrow in the top corner to exit isolation mode, but now, I am going back into isolation mode and select the larger text. Go to Edit. Copy it. Exit isolation mode. Go to Edit. Paste in front. With the text selected, use the eyedropper tool. Click the background to apply its gradient. Adjust settings in the Gradient panel. To apply the gradient to the entire text, go to Object. Compound Path. Choose Make. If the colors change too strongly, adjust them in the Gradient panel. For a reflection, copy the text. Paste in place. In the Transform panel, click the icon to flip it vertically. Hold Shift. Drag it down to line up with the main text. Right-click. Choose Arrange. Send backward. Set a gradient from light gray at the top to transparent below. Adjust settings for a better look. Select all text elements. Right-click. Group them. Draw a rectangle. Resize it to fill the artboard. Right-click. Choose Arrange. Bring to front. Pick a color from Swatches. Go to Opacity. Change the blending mode to color. For extra flexibility, you can make this color a global swatch and check the preview box to see changes in real time. And there you have it, a quick and easy 3D text effect. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome Photoshop and Illustrator tips.